So guys, today we will learn about states of matter basics. Here, let us start learning about the states of matter and its basics. So let me start. See, here you can see on your screen an animated thing. Fine, an animated visualization is here for you, which I have presented. Now you can see this 13 Kelvin. When what is the actually it is minus 260 degrees Celsius, means in minus it is going, this whole what we are studying going to study is minus 260 degree Celsius. So when minus 260 degree Celsius is there, now when we will rise it up, see what happens. The molecules are there. These what you can see which are going on now, these are the molecules. So I have raised the I have provided heat to the molecules here, and due to the heat these molecules are separated from each other. And this process you can see, this is the process for which we are going to study. And the temperature you can see here is again and again rising, 95, 96, 97, that is reached after 100 Kelvin. Fine. So you can see the molecules separated from each other. Now this you saw, when the any substance is in solid nature and if we need to convert it into gas nature, what we have to do in gaseous state, if we need to convert, we will just heat the same. We will heat it. Let us see the again temperature for this. The temperature is minus 143 degrees Celsius here, which you can see. These molecules are start going down. Now let me start cooling these molecules. Now I have cooled these molecules. What happening is these molecules are again getting condensed. These comprises of, they will form after that one structure, and that structure you will see they are condensed from each other. They are something sticky substances. This you can see they're falling from up and they are sticking again and again. See, such like this. So this is the cooling, and the process is known as freezing, and that converting to gaseous state, and this is converting to the solid form. And the liquid state you can see, in the liquid state what is the difference actually is, the difference is that you can see is the whatever the molecules are present that are not in very far from each other or not very close, they are just in a medium state. That's why we see it as liquid state. See, in solid state they are like this, in liquid state they are something that is medium, and in gaseous state they are too far separated from each other. Now this we discussed. Fine, the temperatures are here for you, 55 Kelvin in gaseous, in liquid 26 Kelvin, and 13 Kelvin in solid. Then let us this you can see atoms and molecules: neon, argon, oxygen, and water. Let me start the neon. We discussed. Then argon molecule, the same as solid. This is solid. Then this is liquid, and this is gas. Oxygen molecule, this is gas. This is liquid, and this is solid. And water molecule, solid, liquid, and gas. In gaseous state actually what happens is evaporation happens. So due to the evaporation, these from water actually it only evaporates and no other process is there for converting to gaseous state. So when we heat the water, the molecules start separating from each other. That's why the evaporation happens. Now let me change it. Here you can see the phase changes. The phase changes you are able to observe here, and the phase diagram is this. This is the phase diagram that you are observing on your screen. When I will rise it up, see it properly please. When I will rise it up, this, the pressure you can see 0.0 atm will increase after some time. Now the temperature also we are observing is minus 260 degrees Celsius. Fine, and the molecules are in liquid state now because they are not exactly sticked. Now when we will what we will say, we will increase the pressure inside this. See, when this lid I am continuing go down, now also 13K. And now what will happen when these molecules touches like this? Now press and they will break this lid. And the what will happen is lid will break and the molecules will come out of the substance in which the molecules are there. So this is how the substance is formed. and the molecules are present everywhere inside you or any of the substance near you, like you can say as your door, your window, your watch, your anything, any of the substance near you, just actually you use daily life, are made up of molecules and atoms. Atoms are more smaller units than the molecules. Fine. The actually is the substance, then the molecule, and then the atom. This is the atom. Then these, which you can see are molecules, these are not atoms. Fine. This phase diagram also you can see here. Phase changes actually they are what we say it as. We say it as phase changes. Let me do the pressure as same as it was. And now you are seeing what is happening. These molecules, because they are very less molecules, that's why they are trying to break, but it's not able to break in. And whenever you fill anything, or whenever you put a substance and apply more or more force by you or pressure by you, the same happens. Now let us observe an argon. Actually, the argon's temperature is 189 Kelvin, that is minus 84 degrees Celsius. See, this will go down, this will go down, this is going down, and at the end this will also break, and the pressure is actually at overload. When the overload happens, this breaks. In oxygen, what happens? Oxygen also the pressure is already 0.5 atm. When I have I have raised it to 2.6 3 point something atm. So now I am more decreasing the pressure, increasing the pressure, and the pressure actually when it overloads, see, overload, and that has gone. In water also the same thing happens. Pressure is high and the molecules, let me keep it cool only. Let us keep them cool here and try and experiment what happens with cooler. They are cool. Now this comes down. You can fill water and try this experiment, and this will break. Or with water, actually what happens, because here molecules are given, with water the happening is the water will not allow, the water will go out of it. It will, if it does not repel, then the water will go off out of it. If the lid does not repel, then the water will only come out and the lid will remain there only. So that's why this experiment you can do is, so this whole I have told you states and phase changes easily. State of matter basics we are ending here. For more of the things you can watch our next video, that is state of matter only, not basics, because these were the basics. And next video we will discuss some more things. So I'm coming with the next video. Thanks guys, and please like, share our channel, subscribe our channel, share our videos, so that more and more people can know. And the education, because science education is very much essential for everyone, so share it so that all people or all of the educators, so all that can get educations. So thanks for watching guys. Now I'm ending with this video. We'll come up with the next video. Bye.